Hi guys, just wanted to give you a bit of a tour of some of the refurbished phones we have on offer. We have quite a large range of phones. We have lots of iPhones in stock. We have also some Samsung, some Sony, and they all come with a 6-month warranty. We'll just scan around a little bit and have a bit of a look. There's a Samsung A5, it's a great little phone. This is a phone that sort of sits somewhere in between an S6 and an S7 for performance and spec. It's a beautiful little phone. They sell for $500 new, and they actually are a great phone to use as a second phone or for kids. We also have here an iPhone 7 Plus. It's a 32 gig. We also can get them in different sizes, different colours. This is just one example. And we also have in the middle even the iPhone 8. We can get up to the iPhone 10. We can also get the Samsung S9 is there. We also have over this side the S8 Plus. These are the ones we've picked for stock. They represent some very good value for money. We also have the i7, iPhone 7, 128 gig there. And then we start off the entry level, the iPhone 5S at $258. You've also got the zip pay option, of course. These are very, very handy things. This is a great phone. This is the Sony XZ Premium. It's one of their flagship models. At $398 represents very good value for money. All these phones are tested. They have a 44-point check before they come to us. They're bought through a decommissioning program. They are not failed phones that are bought off the street. These are proper corporate sourced phones. A supplier has a contract with the telco as part of their trade-up program. That's where a majority of the phones come from. So yeah, great programs, great phones. It'll do a great job for you all with 6 months warranty. Come down to the store and check them out.